Excuse me, sir. Are you working here?
Yeah. What do you want?
That's what I got. What do you want? So we got some potato wedges and a little bagel. Guys, so the place we went to do my buddy's knowledge test, the lady was weird. She said she needs to see a driver's license and a passport. So he showed those two items, but the thing is, his license is an Indian license, and they did not, she said it's not, it doesn't count, or she said it's not accepted for some reason. They can't take it. I said why, it's not even expired. So she said, I didn't say it's expired. But this is how they speak over there. It's just like, it's like, I don't know, like a chill pill. Like. But anyways, so now we're heading off to Cornwall. So from Hawkesbury to Cornwall, it's extra 1 hour drive. It's fine, it's Friday. The trees are starting to change.
This restaurant is so nice. Zippo in Vaudreuil.
It's a nice vibes.
Nice vibe.
Coffee, Cafe Depot. It's a coffee shop.
I don't know guys, ये सारा कुछ है इतने नु अपना सिटी नहीं मुझे लगता.
That's our dish.
तंदूरी grill. Royal तंदूरी grill.
More furniture stuff, home stuff.
Just.
He likes it.
Yeah.
But I don't. Like, it's nice to check around.
Yeah. Venus, Old Navy.
You guys can come check out Vaudreuil d'Orient if you guys want to.
It's a nice place, guys.
I'm gonna go to the urban planet in the morning.
जहाँ थक चुकी है इस जगह तो, पर मैंने बहुत बढ़िया लग रही है.
मैंने काफी साल हो गए थे.
बहुत बढ़िया लग रही है. Open है.
These are some new condos.
हाँ. Montreal थोड़ा सा congested है.
But first we're gonna have a little trip in urban planet.
गाइस ਇੱਥੇ ਆਹ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਟੋਰ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ.
काफी और भी, लेकिन
और भी ਆ ਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਕਾਫੀ ਸਟੋਰ.
Baton Body.
ਵਧੀਆ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਹੈ ਗਾइस, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰਨਾ.
See ਜ਼ਰੂਰ.
ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰਨਾ.
Not ਜ਼ਰੂਰ, hey ਜ਼ਰੂਰ.
ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰਨਾ.
Yes, now you sound like a nice one. What do you think of the urban planet in Vaudreuil? You like it? Really? Guys, he likes this more than the one we usually go to. Guys, they have these nice shirts for men, but I like it, so I'm gonna get it for me. In women's, they don't have nice shirts like this. They only have crop things. Hey, look. I know you like the balloons. Blue वाला भी अच्छा लग रहा है, पफर के साथ, and green भी.
जो साइड वाला है ना, उसकी वो ज़्यादा है.
Green?
ग्रेस ज़्यादा. देख शीशे में कैसे ग्रेस लग रही है, एक शर्ट सी अच्छी लग रही है तेरी. That's a nice shirt. I like these things. कुछ भी नहीं.
This pajama. He's 25.
लगाती रहती है ट्रैक सूट. और ये कितना अच्छा है.
This one,
बड़ा नहीं.
it's a छोटा, it's a crop, it's like a lobby size.
ये इसमें बड़ी नहीं है. क्रॉप क्यों है?
आजकल लड़कियों क्रॉप ही पहनते हैं. की आंटी जाएगी.
तेरे तो ना लंबे कोट अच्छे लगते हैं पता है
I know.
देखिए तेरे क्रॉप नहीं हाइट है ना थोड़ी
It's because I'm a bit moody right now.
नो तेरी हाइट भी है अच्छी है
It's because I'm a bit moody right now.
healthy बच्ची
No.
you are not moty you are not moty but you are only गाइस इन्हें मेनू और लब्बा सामान लब्बन वाला बनाया हुआ है
Yes. It's your job.
सिंगलर बोल रहा है
All the kawari kuris. Which one looks better? Dono same hai, but this one has zippers. नाचने का नहीं बोलना है मैंने बोला कौन सा अच्छा लग रहा है
दोनों अच्छे हैं ये भी अच्छा है ये तो है ये क्यों नहीं पहनती भी
क्या करूँ इसका
कितना अच्छा लग रहा है तेरे को
What do you have to do? You have to buy it. I like this.
These taller.
Yeah, it's not that bad. Medium belt.
You don't like it.
I do. We are just in Vaudreuil. He's looking around like, ooh, what is this place? You want shawarmas? You want, Guys, there's a sign from the fire department of Vaudreuil that you are not allowed to use fireworks on Diwali. So sad. We're just gonna go check out now. Linen. तुझे कैसी आ रही है?
Hello.
हेलो मेरे को भी लगा क्यों? Oh, what a nice picture frame. So nice, the whole thing. Look at the pinku. Yeah, look at that. I like these picture frames. Like you could hang this somewhere in your house or something. How much is it? $200. तो क्या पीछे बचाते हैं
ये सब भी देख सकते हैं
हम देखते रहते हैं कभी बाई नहीं करते हैं और ये भी हैंगिंग वाला $100 it's a good stand like you put your coats I like it. It's like a black how much is it here 100 no 129
take these things
मैंने पीछे देखना yeah coffee try coffee espresso americano तू कौन सा कॉफी पीता है you don't drink coffee you don't even drink chai unless I suggest it yes you like chai when I make it
yeah
you're such a nice friend hey look at this baby cup yes
no 300 का मिल रहा है हफ्ते
oh
वाला
yes वो brand भी देख सकते हो ना brand oh this is to like grill stuff no like you put your things oh yes it look at this paper it's so dangerous anyone could take it and do it
this also
oh as I said those are these are expensive
it's like
oh look at this big people set put this that one too what is it for
pastry
no has to put butter and something milk bag okay not try now $70 not bad keep it out like excuse me sir are you waiting here
yeah what do you want
ऐसा बोलेगा what do you want say how can I help you
what do you want
say it proper
friend I can talk how can I
but you have to pretend we are not friends excuse me sir do you like it
how can I help you ma'am
I'm looking for a nice cutlery set
okay so it's right there you can check over there please
you're supposed to take me there you're just like you're like वहाँ पे जाके खुद देख ले तनु कटली की समझ आ गया
yeah
मजाक कर रही थी I know तुम मुझे ओह ये अच्छा शीशा है
समझ आ गया था
अच्छा शीशा है
तो जो हम मैंने दिया था
that ना like toilet Which one do you like? This or the country? Look, here we are. Look at the countries. Where? That's weird.
हम इंडिया में फिर मैं यहाँ पे रहता हूँ न्यू दिल्ली के पास।
तू रहते
यहाँ पे रहती है स्टार के पास। बाद में ये मंगोलिया गई थी। बाद में कजाकिस्तान।
Kazakhstan. Shelf in the corner.
यहाँ पे ना कोई काम तुम कर सकते हो।
The auntie ready or roll?
हो गया 25-30 मिनट। मैं बोल रहा था मैं रेस्टोरेंट में ना टाइम लगा के। चिल मार रहा हूँ ना कि शहर में खुले आम।
This is not my shed. No. Oh yeah, sure you can. We'll try that. And just a bit hot sauce. Yes. I'll take a drink actually. Bottle. No, it's okay. Can I okay, that's it.
Que te choques, que se pulo brinque.